Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fefiuni Amalia Sari, NPM 2053033010. I will presentation of the Japan's occupation and the response of the Indonesia people. The period of Japan's occupation in the archipelago, with and then time we still carried the Dutch as Indies, began in 1942 and then with the proclamation of Indonesia independence by Sukarno and Muhammad Hatta. Background of the Japan's occupation in Indonesia. Japan's people come to Indonesia to even in the Dutch as India government. In ancient Japan, he is also become one of the main exponents for competition from the Dutch East India with were from the natural width of the archipelago. The main factor of the Japan's arrival to Indonesia were: 1. Indonesia is rich in mining products to support the needs of war. 2. Indonesia has raw materials to meet the demands of Javan domestic industry. 3. Indonesia has a lot of manpower of human resource of the side I can support Javan business. 4. Javan ambition to high-co in formation of the expert company line for on the world in by Japan. 5. Migration intervals, meaning the Japan territory is smaller while the population is large. And the impact of the Japan occupation in Indonesia. Social fraud. The Japan government at the time also entered of Romusha labor policy. Maybe you often heard the Romusha, with the colonial war system during the colonization of Indonesia. However, in the first formation of the Romusha, received a good response from the Indonesia people. In fact, many were willing to falter. Economy sector. This war economy system results in the comparison of factors. Inflation, bank, and several companies. Furthermore, there has an impact of the denser form foundation centered on poverty. Culture for Indonesia. People effort to make home to and healthcare and power war in corner and of the sun god. The ritual is performed by moving the racer to empower what is in the direction of the rising sun, now as national culture. 4. Military win. The occupation took place Japan used the community to get involved on the part war. The reason was of course because Japan needed on through and war. By persuading the Indonesian people to join the flag answer to enemy. Japan effortlessly set in fortress military organization among there are Kibodan, Hizbullah, Fuzinkai, Barisan Pelopor, and Heiho. Education sector. During the Japanese occupation, education could be said to have progressed. Namely, there were two more discrimination between men and women and the establishment of a state system, elementary, junior, high, and high school. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.